French automaker Renault has launched the much-awaited Duster Turbo variant in the Indian market. Prices for the new Duster Turbo variant starts at Rs 10.49 lakh ex-showroom India. The new variant features a powerful 1.3-litre turbo petrol engine along with manual and automatic transmission options. The Duster Turbo is available in 5 variants, which includes 2 automatic trims. The RXE, RXS and RXZ manual variants retail at 10.49 lakh, 11.39 lakh and 11.99 lakh respectively, while the RXS and the RXZ automatic trims cost Rs 12.99 lakh and Rs 13.59 lakh respectively. All prices are ex-showroom India. Speaking about the new powertrain on the SUV, the 1.3-litre turbo petrol engine produces a maximum of 154 brake horsepower at 5,500 rpm and a peak torque of 254 Nm at 1,600 rpm. The engine features the brand's latest technologies such as GDI, gasoline direct injection, and DVVT, dual variable valve timing that offers benchmark performance and reduced emissions. The engine is offered with either a 6-speed manual or a 7-speed Xtronic CVT automatic transmission with manual mode. With the new engine and gearbox options, the Duster Turbo becomes the most powerful SUV in the segment in India. According to the company, the new engine will return a mileage of 16.5 km per litre paired to a manual transmission and 16.42 km per litre in the CVT versions. Apart from the new powertrain, the Duster Turbo variant features subtle changes inside and out over the standard model. This includes crimson red accents on the grille, tailgate, roof rails and a fog lamp cover. The grille itself has a new tri-winged design with a chrome finish as well. Other changes include a dual-tone body color, front bumper, skid plates at both ends that enhances the commanding look of the Duster Turbo. On the inside, it receives an all-black treatment that offers the cabin a new look and feel. The dual-tone dashboard features a 7.0-inch touchscreen infotainment system that supports Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and the brand's voice recognition with Eco Guide. The Duster is offered with Acme premium audio system with 4 speakers and 2 front tweeters for enhanced in-car entertainment. The SUV also features a remote pre-cooling function which allows the customers to switch on the engine and start the air conditioning even before entering the car with the key fob. Other features include premium glazed seats, cruise control, an instrument cluster with an MID, a smart start-stop function, automatic climate control, a multifunction steering wheel with mounted controls among others. The safety net on the new Duster includes ABS with EBD, multiple airbags, hill start assist, rear parking sensors, seat belt reminder and speed alert. All these safety features are standard across all versions of the Renault Duster. Thank you for watching DriveSpark. Like, share and subscribe to stay in the know of the latest happenings in the auto industry.